Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. In today's video we are doing the announcement of the winner from the contest of the 1000 subscribers supporters for the channel. But before we move on to that, I would like to say thank you very much to everybody who participated. I really appreciate all the support you provide for this channel. I am sure this is not gonna be the last giveaway. Hopefully we can do another one once the channel get a little bit bigger. So I would really like to ask you to continue the support to the channel. I really appreciate it. And I would like to invite you to extend the support in other platforms. We are active in Twitter and Instagram, and we even have our Facebook page, so we can connect in those platforms too. If you remember, we were doing this giveaway courtesy of Alexandria fragrance, where they gradually donate a 30 ml bottle of Bosqueta de la Costa, which is a fresh fragrance, semi-sweet with woody notes and some citrus in it. This fragrance is marketed as a unisex fragrance, so a lady or a gentleman could wear it just fine. The scent of this fragrance is really unique. It's nothing like, it won't smell like any other designer fragrance that you may have experienced in the past. It does really smells like a niche fragrance. So to select the winner for this contest, what we did is we went to a randomizer website. We copied the link of the video into this randomizer. And we selected that winner, and that is how Sam Hayden was chosen. So Sam, if you are watching this video, please send me your mailing information through a direct message, maybe through Twitter or Instagram, and I can send you this bottle directly to your place. And if you could, I think it will be fun if you make a video giving us your reaction to this fragrance, giving us your impressions. Maybe if you can have somebody else in your family try it and let us know what they think. I will be interested to know. So that's all I have for this video. Please remember to tune in again next week for another video. So until next time, that's all. See you again. Bye.